I took a picture instead of recording. Another video, review video of the product that we made just the other day.
Alright.
Cut.
Oh yeah.
Take your time, bro. Take your time.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah. Alright.
Father's here.
Dude, that's good, man.
10 years later. Oh! Finally. Alright. Daniel first. Daniel taste buds. Nah, bro, I brought the fork just for decoration. What did you find? What's that? It looks like pan birote.
Pan birote?
It does. It looks like a pan birote.
This shit does look like a pan birote.
Anyways, go.
I'll try it.
Alright. Is that getting stuck? Oh yeah. So?
It's pretty good.
Yeah? Was it better than the last food we had?
I think so, yeah, I think it is.
Dude, it is.
This is bomb, actually.
Yeah?
This is bomb. Okay, this shit's good. This is good. How about the airport?
You were about to say you farted? That's higher.
You try it.
Alright, my taste.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it does feel gooey.
It's good though. Oh yeah.
Dude, it is.
Freaking bomb, huh?
Let's show you. You need the face, A1s. Hold up. How about third? How about some third? Eat ass.
Let's see your taste buds.
Eat ass sea bass. This is eat ass sea bass.
He's about to eat ass.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, I just cussed in the video. Mmm.
Why do you make it look like it's bad? Like his face is just like...
Good or what?
It's good.
Fresh.
Yeah. Well, I guess that's it. This is the food we made. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. Bro, yeah, you already had your piece.
I'm gonna see how it is.
Nah, I'm kidding. You can have another piece, man. Another piece. Anyways, later, bros. Or hoes, whichever one you are. This is it.
Well, come on, son.
Danny,
Let me
badass.
see your plate again.
Roger that. And we're off on this mic. And Seabass, eat ass. Don't forget about Seabass.
Eat ass, bro.
Or eat ass, Seabass, whatever.